In 2004, the South Florida PGA Foundation was founded to support the South Florida PGA community with a focus on junior golf, education and scholarships, and charitable gifting. Over the past decade, the foundation has grown exponentially and touched the lives of more than 3,000 individuals throughout the community through programming included but not limited to the South Florida PGA Junior Golf Tours, Habitat for Humanity, Smiling for Life, scholarship grants to young college students, and grants issued to local charitable organizations. Each year, the goal of the foundation is to get more involved throughout the community and impact more individuals. In 2008, the Birdie Club was formed as a way to provide junior golfers with an opportunity to give back to not only the foundation, but to the community that they live in. The Birdie Club is a fundraising program where juniors go out and solicit pledges from family and friends to help, one, keep costs low on the junior tour, and also support the programs listed previously. In addition to the Birdie Club, the Mirasol Men's Fund Group supports junior golfers compete on the South Florida PGA Junior Tour annually, providing financial support to them and their families. The impact that they have on our juniors' lives is remarkable and one that juniors will never forget. So we are asking you today to get involved and to give back, to make a difference in the community through the South Florida PGA Foundation.